fights are taking place, it's always on Genesperis's advantage.
incredible on the draft screen. You can't even see Chen.
Yeah,
It's just a gorilla.
It kind
Oh,
of gives you
yeah.
this bottom and then probably mid as well. Like where these fights are taking place, it's always on Genesper's advantage.
And the terrifying thing is that Nato, it's just 80 seconds long. All